4/29/2020, we have a 20-minute opening bell on the Dow Jones. Let's talk about why it's up. And I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you what the headlines are and what we've been through before with the very same trade. Headline event. Gilead Sciences right here. They come out in pre-market. Oh, we have some promising results in 5 to 10 day treatments possibly in their studies, they say. Now, we've been down this road before, and this is a 20-minute opening bell, and I talked about the Dow Jones got about 90 points below my target at 24.6. Right now it's at 24.539, slightly above it. But this was the headline event. The last time that we had a headline event out of Gilead Sciences, the Dow went up 700 points. And then a few days later, Gilead comes out and stuff gets published that, hey, those treatments don't look good at all for people with COVID, right? COVID, what a joke, killing people like it is. But here's the announcement. And this is why the Dow gapped up. This is why the Dow gapped up on the 3-minute chart. It's these headlines right here. And when those headlines hit the pent-up demand, and you have an FOMC meeting. But the last time the Dow did this with this culprit, Gilead Sciences announcements, it ended up giving it all back very miserably. So, we're overbought. That's the gap up. I will pull up the daily chart on the Dow and update everybody. It's right up here. And 1/2 delta value is 240 points per line to the penny. So let's go back in here and let's talk about that Dow again. And we know the headline event. We know that the culprit, we know what the culprit is. And the culprit is Gilead Sciences headline event. So we're going to come back to these 3 bars. This one here was on 310. And so that particular high was 25.020. But it's the gap down bar that happened on 311. That's the one we're focusing on. The one that we talked about yesterday, 24,604.63 pennies. All right. And we are getting closer to the target with an opening bell gap. And the markets have been open 22 minutes. And this is the headline event. Gilead Sciences. Short that news. And then get out at support down here. And we're going to look at, are the $80 calls even worth thinking about buying? But headline news, opening bell, 22 minutes. Headline event, pre-market announcement, Gilead Sciences, opening bell gap in the futures market, opening bell gap on the indexes, coming back right into this major wall of resistance. I will be updating everyone today about how many stocks are above certain key moving averages on a percent level and whatnot. Okay? So, I will come back momentarily. We know what the headline event is. 30-minute bell, Dow Jones, gap, 96 IR, so still throttling higher into that major resistance. We're at 24,571. 24.6 is what we're looking for. Now that we have a gap open headline event with 100 IR on the Dow, people are hopeful. Gilead Sciences, 30-minute bell, opening bell gap, and you can see how it's selling down. Look at that. That's what caused the gap. That's the headline event. Now that we can see 30 minutes and the price of it, we're going to take a look at the broader equity markets. We have many positions that are open right now, but we want everyone to know what the 30-minute pre-market opening bell gap, Dow Jones Indexes, gap up on the Gilead news. A couple weeks ago, Gilead came out with a headline event about a promising vaccine trial, and the Dow went up 700 points, and then 2 days, or a day later, 2 days later, those 700 points went right away. And why are they selling the news on it if it's so promising on the 30-minute opening bell? This is what they said in pre-market, and they got it to gap. Now look at the price. It's right back toward the lows where the support level is for right now. But the Dow is hitting resistance on the opening bell of 30 minutes. I'll be updating everyone later. Now the IR is only 59. It was 100 a minute ago. So let's recap it again. Daily chart. We're focusing on this. We're focusing on this one. 24,604. Okay. The high on the daily with the diamond there. 24,577. 30 minutes of the opening bell gap have played out. Be cautious. Sell the news on their drug that got the Dow gapping up into this major resistance. And we're looking at the 311 bar right here. We're looking at the high of that bar was 24,604. The upper end of that would be 25,020. And that would be this bar. 310, 311 gap down, continue to gap. There's your diamond pop. This is all about how it made the lows, and this was part of it. So stocks are overbought, indexes are overbought as well. And for a bear market rally raid, which is makes a lot of money off of these lows, but right now you have to be concerned about this. And you have to be concerned about the headline gap that created the gap in the Dow and the S&P. And it was all based on the Gilead news. And this is 32 minutes in the opening bell. You broke that support level on Gilead. But you want to know why the Dow gapped up into this major area. And this is what we're focusing on. And we will continue to focus on this area. Good luck to everyone. If you want to get into that free 5-day trial, you can get in now. Once again, opening bell gap. Why? Pre-market headline announcement, headline news. A promising drug, 0 IR. I bought the $85 puts on it immediately. I've been trading Gilead for years. They have a lot of stuff they have to go through about that drug. But now we have support. So we'll take a look and see what happens here. Opening bell, 33 minutes, gap up in the Dow based on the Gilead news into the major resistance levels. Don't be fooled.